Today, I'm going to show you around Marina de las Dunas, located in the beautiful coastal town of Guardamar del Segura in Alicante region. It's where the Segura River meets the Mediterranean Sea, providing a peaceful escape perfect for sport activities like walking, running, and cycling. This place is known for its stunning views and calm atmosphere. It's a favorite spot for sailing enthusiasts and visitors who want to soak in the charm of the Spanish coastline. With over 500 berths, the marina welcomes all kinds of boats, from smaller leisure boats to larger yachts. The area is always buzzing with activity. You'll spot people running, walking, cycling, and of course fishing along the waterfront. Nearby beaches offers pristine sands and crystal clear waters, perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. The marina is surrounded by natural sand dunes and a vast pine forest, making it a heaven for nature lovers. The pathways are perfect for a peaceful morning jog or just a laid-back stroll. Personally, I love walking here, especially in the morning. It's that sweet spot in summer where it's not too hot and you have the place pretty much to yourself. No crowds, just you and the fresh sea breeze. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for joining me on this little tour of Marina de las Dunas. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. See you in the next one.